In this video, we'll explore the user input node and understand how it works. The user input node is used to ask a question and save a user's response into a field. Input node waits for the user to type a response and automatically stores that response inside the selected field. Let's open the user input node. When you click on it, there are three main steps to configure. Step 1. Enter the prompt message. This is the question or instruction the user will see. For example, please enter your email address. Step 2. Choose the field to store. You must select the field where the user's response will be saved. For example, if you ask for an email address, you must store it in the predefined email internal field. Without selecting a field, the system cannot save the response. Supported field types for user input are text, number, and date. Keep in mind, Boolean and select fields are not supported in the user input node, and you will not find them in the field list. This is because they require predefined choices instead of typed input. To set Boolean or select fields, you should use quick replies combined with action nodes instead, as shown in these examples. Step 3. The cancel button. If you enable Show Cancel button, the user will see a cancel button under the prompt while the system is waiting for their reply. If the user taps cancel, it means they want to stop completing this step. You can customize the cancel button caption, the cancellation confirmation message, the yes and no button captions. If the user confirms the cancellation, the input is canceled and the flow stops. If the user chooses no, the same question is shown again and the system continues waiting for their response.